ninyo for humanitarian service ay ang St. Peter and Paul Chaplaincy. At nagpapasalamat po kami in advance sa inyong binigay. At makakaasa kayo, ito po ay para sa Paris Social Action Office Service. Ito yung mga ginagawa natin para sa mga kapatid nating Bangyan. Meron tayo sa Barangay Bondo at 37 families. Meron din tayo mga PDL sa ating Caloocan District at yung mga kapatid natin sa Sitio Nooban. So makakaasa kayo yung lahat na activities na gagawin doon for this coming year ay kasama po kayong lahat doon. At kami po ay nagpapasalamat. Kaya meron kaming certificate of appreciation na ibibigay.
Certificate of appreciation. This certificate is presented to President Yogi Bawasanta as an expression of grateful appreciation for your outstanding leadership as the President of Rotary Club of Calapan and to your selfless dedication to help in pastoral ministry and social services learned by St. Peter and Paul Chaplaincy to the faithful to your community, the missionary families of Christ. Given this 10th day of December 2025, at the Christmas celebration of Rotary Club of Calapan, signed by Reverend Father Romeo R. Villavicencio, SPPC Chaplain. Another certificate of appreciation. This certificate is presented to Rotary Club of Calapan, recognition and appreciation for your constant generosity, support, and contribution to the programs of MFC that will be a great help to the SPPC Social Action Services. Given this 10th day of December 2025 at the Christmas celebration of Rotary Club of Calapan, signed by Reverend Father Romeo R. Villavicencio, SPPC Chaplain.
Sige po. Ayun po yan, background.
Okay. Thank you. Let me take this opportunity po. On behalf of Missionary Families of Christ, I would like to make an appeal in the spirit of Christmas, feeling the true spirit of Christmas through kindness. We are appealing to give hope to one of our member of the band. Siya po talaga ay totally hindi nakakakita. Siya po ay inaakay namin. Kaya po kami ay nagkakit sa inyo, baka po kayo nakilala sa Manila, sa mga medical missions, na pwedeng gamitan para po mabigyan na tulong siya. Considering na faithful servant po namin siya sa Missionary Families of Christ, but then the Missionary Families of Christ po ay walang kakayahan para siya ay may paggamot. He is serving yun po sa church ng St. Francis at saka po sa SPPC. Kaya lang po, nakikita po namin mas malaking potential kung nakakakita siya. So, in the spirit of Christmas, baka po sakali na kayo ay may kakilala sa Manila na nag-medical mission. Kami po ay kumakatong, baka po sakali may lamit natin. Thank you.
Ako rin, harap ang isa